First of all, we're gonna preheat the oven. It should be 350. And second of all, we're gonna grease the pans, make them ready for the cake to be put in. So there are two options to grease the pan with, actually three. If you prefer a spray, there is a spray that you can spray the pans. There is oil, which I like to do better, and there is margarine. I'm going to show you today how to do it with margarine too. That's an option too. So with the margarine, you have to be very generous with greasing the pan, because we need these cakes out to come out in one piece. So we're going to make sure we grease it good with the margarine. And then we just take a little bit of flour and we're going to sprinkle it around. The flour, what it does, if you put only margarine, the margarine is going to be mixed up with the cake and won't help us preventing the cake from sticking to the pan. But once you put the flour in, kind of makes another layer and prevent the cake from sticking. So this is the margarine. We do the same thing with the oil. You can use a tissue or do it with your hand, same thing. Just going to take the oil and make sure that it goes everywhere. A good indicator is the flour afterwards. When you put it, you see that there are some spots that the flour doesn't stick in. It means that it doesn't have oil there either. And then you can put a little bit oil there and finish, make sure that the tray or the pan is all covered up. Here we go. The leftovers, the flour, we can always sprinkle out